Today on Taste Test, we're tasting food from Ikea.
Oh my god!
Yay!
I love food from Ikea.
Meatballs.
Have you had any of them? Or any Ikea food?
I absolutely love Ikea. Do you like Ikea?
I'm indifferent.
Oh my
Strong
god!
indifferent. I feel like
All the food
food-wise,
is like a really good standard quality.
standard quality
Yeah,
is an
like, it's like
interesting thing to be
Costco.
excited about.
You don't want like a really fancy bookcase with like 500 things on it. You want like a good, simple, standard bookcase, and that kind of mentality
translated
shows
that
in
to
their food.
food.
Yes.
Love Ikea.
A Ikea story.
Let's get started.
But before we get started, why don't you subscribe down here?
I feel like muesli is one of those things that like I keep seeing. I'm starting to see everywhere, but I don't really know what it is.
Yeah, I have
but it
no
like
clue.
makes me feel healthy.
It looks like some sort of granola.
This is muesli, something I don't want to keep eating.
I'd have no opinion about this.
It's really creamy.
This is like the exoskeleton of granola. Like the essence of granola left and just left the shell.
I like muesli because it has more stuff in it.
And I suspect that this is pretty cheap granola. And usually granola's not the cheapest thing. I think it's fine. It's muesli edible.
Ooh,
Is that what a latke? Yeah, that is what a
That's
latke
what a
is.
latke is.
First, I'm trying just the pancake, just so you know, Mike.
No, I'm just going for the whole trio.
What do we got on top here?
A little sour cream, a little blueberry jam.
This is delicious.
Just good.
No, I appreciate
How do you
that.
mess up a crispy potato?
It's got like crunch on the outside, nice crust.
I like the blueberry jam on it. I like how they always add sweet elements.
I'm down with this.
Oh, good.
I want this. I do also like, I think, the jam more than anything.
Do you latke it a lot? Are you latke to have this in your house?
Was this
That's
like
a
the
fish on there that's making me nervous.
This is a marinated herring fillet on rye crisp bread.
Can we just have the rye bread?
Why bread?
I'm supposed to touch this with my hand?
Not hearing any of it.
Cracker's not bad. All right, let's
I really
do
don't
it.
want.
1, 2, okay.
Yeah, that's good.
I hate it so much.
You do? I just hate it slightly.
The over-seasoned pickled herring really pairs well with this dry cracker.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I love this flatbread.
I'm kind of going the opposite. The fish I was pleasantly surprised by. My expectations of the
What?
fish were like way down there. That's where I thought the fish was gonna be, and the rye bread I thought would be okay, and it's like swapped for me.
I don't hate it, but I don't really want to eat any more of it. I always want to buy a pack of these to take home,
How
but I
often
don't.
are you at Ikea?
I've been to Ikea like 3 times this year.
What?
And I didn't buy furniture at any of those.
It was just grocery shopping
I don't
each
know.
time, but you're like, not the cinnamon rolls.
After every rainstorm, the sun will rise. This is the sun. The fish was the rainstorm.
It's more of like a cookie than a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, it's a little.
It's not like fluffy enough. I don't really.
Yeah, you want to rip off the edges, and just get that
The
center
outside's so
gooiness.
hard.
Yeah, the outside's real hard and dry.
Just rolling with the punches.
It's not too sweet, it's Swedish.
Boo. Boo.
That's the best pun you've ever made in front of me.
There it is. That's what we came for.
Everybody associates meatballs with Ikea.
This is what's at my apartment.
And the classic, and I assume, lingonberry jam.
Do you do dunk or do you do?
Yeah, you have to like
Yeah,
coat it
you gotta coat
in the jam.
Are you very into it?
Yeah, I mean, it's like a good compliment. It's like sweet, and it's savory. Anyway, straight. It's a pretty, kind of hits the spot.
You know, everyone should already know by now that these are great.
Sweden's great. The meatballs were exquisite.
Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Food Network to see more taste tests.